Okay, so as we've shown there, we've printed out the temperatures. So we'll go again. So print them out. They're in a single list. Great. And just a complete overview of the code so far. So we've imported the CSV library. A CSV allows us to read and write data in tabular form, but of course CSV stands for comma separated values. And if we delve in here into our code and have a proper look at what it looks like on the internet without seeing it in its clean form, this is what it looks like. So you just have one value, and then because it's gone onto another line, you don't need a comma in that. So next thing we want to do now is or just to note then, we open the file for reading in the data, stored in a variable called temp readings. We printed them out to have a look at them and see what the story was. Then we broke out of the opening of the file, and we created an empty list to store our readings because we seen that we had a problem that it was a list of lists, and we've just appended them to this temperatures list now where we can target our values. So now that we've that done, what we can do next of all is, so they are strings as it stands at the moment, so we need to convert those numbers, convert the numbers to integers. To do this, I am going to iterate through a list. So for number in temperatures, will this allow me to do it? No, I need to go for number in range length of temperatures list, because I need to access the indexing of it. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to say temperatures, the index of the number, or maybe just num for short, make it a bit easier. Num. It's going to be overwritten with a casting of the first temperature and second and third num. So basically what's happening here, the first time it goes around, num is going to be 0. So this is like saying, hey, this is whatever is located in temperatures index 0, which is going to be 20, string value 20. So string value 20 in here, you're going to convert that to an integer, and then you're going to overwrite whatever is in that 0th position the first time. You're going to overwrite it, and then it moves on the next time and changes it to index 1 and so on. And so now if I just go print temperatures here now, oh man, sorry, hopefully we should have it converted now to integers, and we do. You can see the quotes are gone, so now it's just converted to integers. So see you in the next video for the next part.